Wish you could life-proof your makeup? Watch how to keep makeup flawless all day long with this effortless beauty routine. Right after skincare, prep your skin with the hydrating and mattifying primer Prep and Matte. Then use the Blur and Go stick on the T-zone to give an extra blur and matte effect. Next, apply Teint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation to unify the complexion with a long-lasting matte finish. Now set the makeup for the day with the Long Time No Shine setting powder. In just a few taps, get flawless and mattified makeup that lasts all day long. If you need extra wear or want instant freshness, spray the Fix It Forget It setting mist on the face right after makeup application, or anytime throughout the day. Voila! Your makeup is now officially life-proof.